In Maryland, the State Police Aviation Command's H145 helicopter, callsign Trooper 1, demonstrates the speed and precision of modern rotary wing technology. Launching from Broadneck Elementary in Anne Arundel County, the aircraft had just wrapped up a training sortie when dispatch redirected the crew. Powered by twin Safran engines and equipped with advanced Helionix avionics, the H145 is built for rapid response and high situational awareness. Within just 6 minutes of the call, Trooper 1 was already overhead, showcasing how cutting-edge navigation systems, digital flight controls, and mission-ready design allow today's emergency helicopters to turn seconds into